What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Eluder Racing. So yeah, it's been a while. It's been a long time since I've posted. A lot of changes to the channel. My family and I moved, so I don't know if you can tell or not, but got a new shop, new garage, new house. A lot of changes for me and the family, and you know, it's been a while. Just been living life and working, and it's been a minute. So I'm anxious to get back to making videos and content and having fun and doing like I like to doing with the channel for all these years. So just give you a quick tour of what I've been working on the last couple of years. This is kind of a work in progress, but it's come a long way. I'm real proud of it, like how everything's looking. And this is what it looks like now. This is what it looked like before. So as you can see, there's been quite an improvement, a lot of changes to the garage. So this is my happy place. But and also going to be doing a lot of new content. You know, I still have the Grand National. I have a lot of stuff, exciting stuff planned for 2024 for that car. Got a new project, a new toy, side-by-side Honda Pioneer. So if you're a side-by-side person, please like and subscribe. If you're a car person, please like and subscribe. We bought our daughter a Jeep, so if you're a Jeep person, we're going to be doing some content with the Jeep. Like and subscribe. And I also have the golf cart too, so a lot of different toys, a lot of different stuff. Plan on doing a lot of fun content for this year, this summer, just a little bit of everything. So the reason for this video was just kind of let you know I'm still around and what my plans are, my future endeavors are. And just to kind of let you know that my next project, the first project that I'm going to be posting, is going to be for the Pioneer. So I've never had a Pioneer before. Have had many side-by-sides. If you've been a subscriber to the channel, you know I've had a lot of different side-by-sides over the years. Very excited about this one. Have a lot of stuff planned for it. I mean, it's gonna get just a complete makeover, really. I mean, we've got big rims and tires. We've got a lift kit. All the parts have finally arrived. So we've got soundbar, we've got whip lights, just anything and everything. This thing is gonna do a complete transformation, a complete overhaul. And I hope you follow me along for the journey. We're gonna call this one Project Mullet. And if you know anything about a mullet, you know it's business up front and a party around back. So that's kind of the way I look at a side-by-side, especially a Pioneer. She's all business up front and all party out back. So yeah, so please like, subscribe, and check back. We're going to be starting some upgrades right away. Actually, the first video I'm going to be posting is going to be for a synthetic rope upgrade. Everybody was making comments about get rid of that garbage cable, and I agree with that. You know, the synthetic rope is the way to go, and that's going to be the first thing I'm going to do. You can see just by looking at it, this already has some goodies to it. This is a limited edition, so it comes factory with the winch. It comes with the push bar, front bumper. It has the good upgraded shocks, the Fox shocks. This does have a DOT glass windshield, Honda windshield. It's got the aftermarket or the add-on LED light bar. Has the factory roof. Some switch panel and a lot of upgrades in front or inside in the cockpit. Custom suede steering wheel wrap, which I actually just finished that. That was a big ordeal. I did not video that. And then also one thing that I wanted to kind of comment on is this has also been ceramic coated. A lot of you guys that are in side-by-sides and ATVs and just, you know, this type of equipment, you know, these things, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 you can wrap up into these in the blink of an eye. And I'm right there in the middle of it. I mean, I've got, just in parts and buying this thing alone, I'm already over $30,000 invested into this thing. And I want to take care of it, and I want it to look as good as possible for as long as possible. It's a huge investment, and I plan on taking care of it. I take care of all my stuff. But it's kind of one of those nature of the beast. If you have a side-by-side and you're out riding around, you're going to get mud on them. You're going to hit branches. Things are going to happen. So if you can add a layer of protection to the side-by-side or whatever it is that you're riding, I would highly recommend, before you take them out and beat the piss out of them, get some ceramic coating done. You'll thank me later. So we'll talk to you soon.